Tuh. Before I ask something to Mr. Waluyo. Firstly, thank you so much for your time, Mr. I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time, and thank you so much for helping we are to finish this exam. The first question I wanna the question is, what is the most important aspect of an effective education strategy?
Thank you for coming. This is the second meeting with student in this class. And it's today, Saturday at 9. Maybe seven students.
Yeah.
Randy,
Yeah.
okay. Randy, about your question, what is the most important aspect of an effective education strategy? In my opinion, the most important aspect of an effective education strategy is clear and achievable objectives. Without well-defined goals, it's challenging to measure success or identify area for improvement. Objective provide direction and purpose, ensuring that every element of the strategy is aligned toward common education outcomes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Next, second question, Mr. How should technology be prioritized in modern education strategy? My opinion, technology is so important, Mr. Because a lot of learning in college, in senior high school, needed high the technology. So I think it's so important. How about you, Mr.? What's your opinion?
Okay. Before I start your question, I want to add some opinion about the first question. It's about education strategy.
Yeah.
Strategy. There's many point in and it's about your question. How should technology be prioritized in modern education strategies? Technology should be highly prioritized in modern education strategies because it can transform learning experiences and make education more accessible. With the right tools, educators can create interactive, engaging, and personalized learning environments that cater to the need of diverse student population. However, it is essential to balance tech integration with traditional method to ensure the holistic approach.
It's an interesting answer, Mr. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
For next, Neri.
For me, Neri, so what role do you believe teachers should play in the development of education strategies?
Okay, what role? Yeah, well, sophisticated question. What role? Okay, for me, in my opinion, teachers should play a central role. The central role in the development of education strategies because they are not the front line of education and have direct insight into student needs and challenges. Challenges, kesempatan. Their practical experience can inform more effective and realistic strategies that can be implemented successfully in the classroom. Additionally, involving teachers foster a sense of ownership and commitment to the strategy. That's it.
Okay. For second question, what's your opinion? How can education strategies be added to support diverse student populations?
How can
Yeah.
education strategy be adapted to support diverse student population? This maybe education strategy can be adapted to support diverse student population by some incorporating inclusive practices and differentiated instruction. In my opinion, strategies should be flexible. Yeah, this is flexible, not rigid. Yeah. And adaptable. You know, adaptable, yeah?
Yeah.
Adaptable to meet the varying cultural, linguistic, and learning needs of students. Providing a professional development for teacher on diversity and inclusion can also enhance their ability to support all students effectively. Yeah.
It's so interesting. Okay, Mister, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Early data-driven education strategies.
Or the potential downside of overlay data-driven education strategy. Okay. Well, data is variable, and overly data-driven education strategy can lead to several downsides. It may reduce education to a series of metrics, but overlaying the holistic development of students. There is also the risk of teaching to the test, where educators focus primarily on improving test scores rather than fostering a deep understanding of the subject matter. In my view, a balanced approach that uses data as one several tools to inform decision is more effective. Yeah, that's the point.
Okay, Mr. Second question. How important in student feedback in shaping education strategies?
Okay, how important is the feedback in shaping education? Student feedback is crucial in shaping education strategies because it provides first-hand insight into what works and what doesn't from the learner's perspective. In my opinion, regularly seeking and incorporating student feedback can lead to more relevant and engaging learning experiences. It also empowers students by giving them a voice of their education.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Next.
Welcome, Mr.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, Mister. My name is Ahmad Faisal. This is number one. What innovative strategies could be used to exchange student engagement in the classroom? Yes.
Okay. Innovative strategies to enhance student engagement may include gamification, project-based learning, and the use of virtual and augmented reality. In my view, or in my opinion, these approaches make learning more interactive and fun, which can significantly increase student motivation and participation, of course. Additionally, incorporating real-world problems and scenarios can help students see the relevance of their education.
Any question? How can education strategies be designed to prepare students for the future workforce?
Yes. Okay. Education strategies should focus on developing critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication skills to prepare students for the future workforce, for the future. In my opinion, integrating STEM is abbreviated from science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education. STEM education, along with soft skill and digital literacy, is essential. Providing opportunities for internship, project-based learning, and real-world problem solving can also bridge the gap between academic learning and workforce readiness.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What role do parents and the community play in the success of education strategies?
for this
Parents.
relation between parents and the community play in success of education strategies. I think there's many role of parents, because parents in the community is play a vital role in the success of education strategies. Their involvement and support can enhance student learning and engagement. In my opinion, building strong partnership with parents and the community can provide additional resource, support network, and real world connection that ends their educational experience. School should actively seek to involve these stakeholders in development and implementation of education strategies. Yeah, that's maybe that's my answer to this question. Maybe one question again. Any question?
No,
Second question.
Second question. How can education strategies be evaluated and improved over time?
Very good question. This is a question too. Yeah, education strategy can be evaluated and improved through a continuous cycle of assessment, feedback, and adjustment. In my opinion, regular monitoring and evaluation using both stakeholders, including student, teacher, parent, and administrator, in the evaluation process can provide comprehensive insight, flexibility, and willingness to adapt based on feedback and changing needs are the key to the ongoing improvement on education strategy.
Thank you for sharing, sir.
Yes, okay. You're welcome.
First question, how can schools effectively integrate social emotional learning into their education strategies?
Okay, so it's social emotional learning. In my opinion, integrating social economic learning, or we say SEL, into education strategy is essential for fostering well-rounded student development. School can incorporate SEL by embedding into curriculum, providing professional development for teacher or SEL practices, and creating a supportive school culture. Activities such as mindfulness exercise, conflict resolution training, and collaborative project can help students develop self-awareness, empathy, and relation skills. Regular assessment and feedback on self-progress can also ensure that the skills are being effective natural. I don't know.
Second question, Mr. How can education strategies be adapted to support diverse student population?
Can education strategy be adapted to support diverse student population? Education strategies can be adapted to support diverse student population by incorporating inclusive practice and differentiated instruction. In my opinion, strategies should be flexible, and adaptable, of course, to meet the group, to meet the varying cultural, kebudayaan, linguistic, bahasa, and learning needs, kebutuhan of student, mahasiswa. Providing professional development for teacher on diversity and innovation can also enhance their ability to support all students effectively. That's the answer, Chelsea.
Thank you, Mr.
think is the most effective education strategy in today's fast-paced world?
Dunia yang berubah demikian cepat. This is a difficult question. This must be thinking about the future. I believe that a combination of the theoretical and technical skill, pengetahuan praktis, is the most effectively educational strategy. So this allows students to apply what they have learned in real world scenarios and develop problem solving skill. No problem solving, pemecahan masalah. That is maybe it can help you to have a good future. Okay, maybe it's a second question. Or is finished?
The second question, how do you think university can improve their education strategy to stay relevant in the modern job market?
Now it's about university, you can improve the education strategy to relevant with the market. Jadi dengan kondisi pasar saat ini university maybe have to improve their education strategy by incorporating industry specific training, project based learning, belajar membuat project seperti itu, and mentorship program. Mentorship sudah mentorship, mentor is give advice like that. This will enable students to gain hands-on experience and develop their skill that are in demand by employers, yang dibutuhkan oleh pengguna pegawainya. There's university can improve their education. Maybe there's any question? Or enough?
Enough.
Okay, I hope.
Mister, thank you so much for your time. Say again, I'm so sorry if I'm losing your time.
No problem. It's okay.
Thank you so much for all my friends, and hopefully it will be my exam is finished for.
I hope
Yeah.
will be a good student and have what is say in English nilai.
Yeah.
Yang the high, yang bagus ya.
Amin.
E, not A ya, E.
Amin.
Okay.
Okay, Mister, thank you so much. We end the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.